Cool. I'm gonna bring the music down a tiny bit. Controlling the volume on the wrong computer. Okay, so we got this computer up here and visible. Let's get rid of that and there we go. We are back. So we got a new keyboard set up. Little camera viewing it, and I moved my mouse over here on my left side just so that way I don't really use it. I'm kind of forced to keep these keybinds going on. So if I do this, I can start scrolling down. So, the current situation. Okay, there is no buffer. Okay. So let's go into so in here today we were playing around with some of the trying to figure out how to do dynamic children, and we were able to make this function right here for make step ahead array, I should say, and it was okay. I mean, it kind of worked out, but there's a big problem-roni here. We're not doing this inside of the actual init function here. We're just doing it here in ready, which is not good. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to copy these. Let's go up here, but let's go 8 up, and then we just paste that in. Oh, come on, there we go. And that looks like it's not wanting to use self. Did I just use base? Is that what I... Can I just use that? No, I can't. It's weird. Let's undo that. So, if I go down here, I enter in some stuff right there. Let's see what functions we got. Do we have an init function? Oh, we do, but we already have the regular init. Let's close that up. See what happens. It's probably throwing me an error. Yeah, duplicate definitions. Not okay. So on the right side here, we have, it says in the init function here, it's obviously setting up some variables, but we need to be able to call a function. Custom constructors. Note the following is incorrect. Okay. The default constructor init isn't always useful, as it may leave objects in an incorrect state. For example, monster will always have the same values for name, hit points, etc. Upon construction, which may not be desirable, let's provide more suitable constructor which accepts those attributes as parameters. So can I just... Oh, I just realized it. Okay. So if I'm correct, if I go inside of here, I should be able to add something maybe up for... Let's try... That's not what I'm looking for. Because I'm gonna need some things in here to be able to be set up on the initialization. Thanks for the like, Zachary. Sorry, so let's go up. Maybe if we make this function return the type that we need, which would be option GD raycast. Again, I'm not a Rust expert. I'm still learning. Let's do 30 down. Turn right. Let's try that. Thanks for the follow, Gojo. I appreciate it. Mismatch types, okay. That's not... Alright, yeah, so that's not the method we want to use. So I can't just smack that in there. I can't just throw that function inside of here. Up here we got just a regular function, and it's implemented inside of player. Like, can I put it? Is there a function in it I can put in here? Oh, it's never used. Okay. Now, what if I go in here and type in make? Let's go 47 down. So we got this. So let's bam, bam, just yoink that. Paste that up in here. We make this pull in self. So that's there, so, and it's never used. I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Let's go back over here. All about signaling here? No, I need. Yeah, that's registered signals. Okay, constructors. I was in the wrong one. Custom constructors. I'm gonna go like 50 down. Okay, so let's try this. So they have stuff. Oh shit, hit the wrong thing. They have the stuff in here. If I just go down into yeah. Trying to use Vim motions for like everything. To control V. Mode. Can I get out of there? Shift escape. Okay, cool. No, Okay, let's just do B again. Ah, you fucking butt. What happened? B. I'm just gonna copy it. Alright, let's just sneak the stuff in here. Ah, shit. Get out of my screen. There you go. Okay, so it's expecting a semicolon. Alright, so only classes registered with Godot are allowed in this context. They didn't need a semicolon. I think I'm just actually stupid. Okay. Let's just boop, boop, boop. Bam, get that out of there. And we got this right here. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to paste that reference store up in here. Oh, wait. So, E, bam. Let's do self. Step ahead, cast. Squares ahead, cast. Right. Base in there. Ah, shit. So it's still missing some. Wait, why does it need that there though? Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you for the follow, Lincoln. You are a legend. Okay, get rid of that. Alright, so our code works, and it works when I press play in the editor. Like if I go in here, and I'm actually have to move the mouse over. I forgot Godot requires it. So whenever I spawn this into the world, nothing happens, which is what it's supposed to be doing. But if I press play, we notice that this is raycast allocated, configuring, add a new child, and it's been stored. It's awesome. Now, huge problem, Roni, is that needs to happen when we start the fucking game. So, wait, did that just change my space for me? Sweet. Wait, let's go. So let's just delete these. Re-comfy this chair seat does not agree with me. Alright. Let's actually check the GitHub stuff for this. Demos is what I wanted. Detective Disco. Rip up some Source Radio. There we go. I was just there.
I wish you could be with me right now. But this is so nice, it must be illegal. So take it easy, I'll tell you about it.
Try to add this stuff back here, didn't I? Get out of here. What's up, everybody on TikTok? Thank you for hopping up in here. We're looking through documentation right now. You ever seen some of the program before? If you have, you are probably understanding why this is boring. Built-in types, that's what I was looking for. Okay. 3D sim class, resource. Okay. I'm very confuzzled. Shit, we got 1,000 likes on here. Dope. There's no way that that's what it is, man. I mean, it has to be new Alec, right? New allocation. Alright, so that's there. We just have it as equal. Okay, I guess we can. Okay, so that's there. So I should be able to make this just return GD breakcast. Okay, now it's not returning anything, which is good. I expected that error. Return Ray. That's a no-go. Did I delete something I wasn't supposed to? That's fine. But no, it needs to be an option. But it can't be an option. Might just do... Wait, can I actually put a function in here? Like block this off? Should be able to. Ah, okay. 'Cause we need to do the enter tree. Alright, so let's try this. Go over to Godot. Alright, I'm just gonna close this out, get rid of it, put that back in there. Alright, so it didn't run any of that raycast, which is weird. Enter tree only happening on like let's actually look at some of the tool function stuff. Alrighty guys, I'm just